Hi Matt, Paul Burton here. I just thought I'd give you a quick ring about this Egglixir. I'm knocking on a bit now, and as you know, a bit conscious about being 64. Um, I didn't quite understand how an egg extract could make such a difference, but a number of people have said to me latterly, since I started taking the Egglixir, is how well I look and how fresh-faced I look, given the fact I'm an old so-and-so now. There is a slight difference in how I felt as well, just a little bit more relaxed and on top of things. It's a very subtle change I felt, but I've definitely felt a change, and the feedback from other people has been quite prevalent, to be honest. People have commented on how well I look. Crikey, you look well, Paul. And a number of people have said that since I've started taking the supplement. So very surprised, but very pleased with the results. And to be really honest, I'll always take it from here on in. Yeah, very, very impressed, Matt. Thank you so much.